everyone, guys. This is Loretta Bordeaux, your mommy Lorie, and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I have a cooking tip for you, and please watch the video until the end. At ang gagawin po natin ay magdi-devein tayo ng large tiger prawns without removing the shell. So, umpisahan na natin, guys. Materials needed is small knife and a toothpick. So, first, ibibend natin yung prawns and we're going to open the shell in the middle a little bit. Just enough to cut the shrimp. Yeah. And then using your toothpick, then there you go. And then remove the vein slowly. Ayan, guys. Easy lang po siya. Ganun lang po kadali ang pagdi-devein ng prawns. Repeat the process with the remaining shrimp. Trivia time, guys. So, alam nyo ba na ang process of deveining is removing the veins? Pero actually, hindi po ito veins. According to my research, ito po ay digestive tract ng shrimp.
A few moments later.
So, ayan, guys. Tapos na ang pagdidevein natin ng prawns. Hope you like this video at sana may natutunan kayo today from Mommy Lorie. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with new videos. And give me a thumbs up, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye!